How to fix no sound in Google Chrome. This tutorial covers the most common causes and how to get audio working again. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device and check if the site you're on has its own mute button, since many video players include one separately from your device volume. From there, press the volume button on the side of your device to bring up the volume panel. After that, make sure your media volume is turned up, since Chrome uses media volume rather than ringer volume. At this point, if sound is still missing, check whether your phone is connected to Bluetooth headphones or a speaker that might be disconnected or out of range. Following this, swipe down to open the Quick panel and confirm your device isn't on silent or vibrate mode. From here, if none of that fixes it, long press the Chrome app icon from your home screen or app drawer. At this stage, tap App Info. Following this, tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be affecting audio playback. At this stage, back out and tap Permissions instead. Following this, tap Microphone and make sure it's not blocking related audio permissions, since some sites request both audio playback and mic access together. From here, scroll down and tap App Details in Store to check for an available update and install it if there is one. Once updated, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. Finally, open Chrome and check if sound is working properly now. That's how you fix no sound in Google Chrome. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!